I'm going to be putting a box on the front of my car trailer. Now, as you can see, I have a few problems here. I have a jack in the way. I am going to take care of that by getting an electric jack. I do not have it yet, I just ordered one. But that should take care of almost all of our problems there. I'm going to be putting a winch in here with a battery, so everything's going to be powered up through there. I also have on the way a 7-way control box, so that way I can charge the battery as we go down the road. This video will go a lot deeper when we get to that point. So it's 41 degrees here in Wisconsin today. Not the ideal time to be outside, but it is a time to be outside. This is something that's been on my mind for a while. One thing that held me out from going sick week is this whole trailer situation with the lights and everything. So you know what, I'm going to kick it in the butt, but we're going to start going on this. I'm probably going to time lapse you through a bunch of stuff, but I'm going to give you the best content I can.
Pretty dang good right there.
See guys, I really do this stuff this way. Oh, it's windy. Sketch. Very sketch. So that fits. Should be a perfect cut. tweak it around. Handle take a shit? That would be it. It was on stick. Now we'll go. Happen. We're good. All right. Perfect. In real nice. Went real wide. It's going to have some torque on it, so I want to make sure it's a good weld. And that definitely looks like a pretty damn good weld. Alright. Alright guys, I'm back. I got a little bit of video here. I don't know what happened, but I lost it. So I got going a little bit. It's snowing now. But I got my front bar in, and now I'm going to get my further front bar. Well, now guys, it is really snowing out here. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna get this bar right here installed, and then I'll come back to you. All right guys, so those are all welded in. Had a few technical difficulties here. My phone does not have enough storage to continue videos, so this is gonna be a really short video. I'm just doing snapshots basically and little updates. It is all primed. Get that out of there. It's drying. Hit it with some black after this, and then I will be mounting the box. It came out pretty decent. I got my son over here with me. He's helping. Say hi, Bubba. Bubba. He's gonna be a little turd. All right, well, I'm gonna get back to this and we'll update you in a bit. What's up guys? I got another nice day out here, 40. So I am going along here and working on the trailer. Welding in a support bracket for my winch. And it's pretty windy, so I'm not gonna take a lot of video. I'll update you as I go along, but with the wind coming through here, it's too much. And also with it being a good day like this, I really have to get going on it. So I'll update you on each piece that I work on, and then from there we will put up a video. So the first thing I did today is put this piece on. I have the videos from putting these on, which are just support brackets for that box. So now I'm putting cross brackets for the winch that I got. Harbor Freight Special. I don't know if it'll be enough, but it's what I'm going to be using. Anything I pull up on here, 2,500 pounds, I mean, it should be able to pull it no problem. So we're going to keep going here, and I will update you as we go. Alright guys, so I'm back. Didn't really get to inform you in the middle of everything. Really just got going, kept going. I have the key here because my box is locked. If I can get this thing. There we go. Alright. So this is kind of an update on what we did. So Harbor Freight box. Not too bad. I think it was 200 and some bucks. Also bought this case for the vans. 4 tools, 4 in the trailer. So we never have to really move it. I think it was like 50 bucks. But got a 2,500 pound winch here. It was another Harbor Freight buy. It was 60 bucks. I couldn't go wrong. So we're gonna try it. If it don't work, if it don't pull up anything I needed to pull up. The good thing is it came with this, which is a wireless control. So I have a remote to pull something up, and I can steer and do it my own self if I'm by myself, which is a lot of times. Pretty excited about that. And battery is over here. I didn't get all my stuff in that I was supposed to get in. I ordered the new crank handle, so I'm going with an electric one. And then I also got a 7-way for the pickup, which is this is a 7-way plug. Don't get me wrong, 7-way plug, but I got a 7-way box, I think. So all the wires will go through it. I'm gonna run a power off of it, run it into the box here, so that way it charges the battery while we're driving. Or while it's plugged up and I'm with pulling a car up, it'll have charge going to it. So on the outside, got the little thing here installed. Didn't get to do this the best way possible. I didn't have anything really good to cut it with. Kind of bummer. But all in all, this box is pretty stout. I had to weld on down here. Look. So I welded that tray in. When I welded it in, those 3 bolts, those are for where the winch is hooked up. And then there's a bolt there, and probably can't see that one. There it is, right there. Now those bolts are the 2 and 3 that are holding the box to the frame. So this thing isn't going anywhere, guys. This is down there. I was gonna weld this box on. Then I thought, you know what? Super nice, super cool and all. If I do end up going to a bigger box someday or changing trailers, and I want to take this with me because it's my winch and everything, I can literally unbolt this, cut the tray. Well, I'd probably leave the tray there. They'll be like, what the hell is that for? But we'll leave the tray there, and then we can make a new one for a different one. This will be very nice. I can put my ratchet straps and everything there. Like I said, this box I can kind of put anywhere. But all in all, really nice box. I'm more than impressed for, I think it was, I don't even have to know, I'll have to look on Harbor Freight's website, and then I will put a plug for the info on there if you guys ever want to do something like this. Super simple. And as I go with it and I keep going, I will update you, and I will get better at the videoing in between. As I said, I'm in Wisconsin. It is a 48-degree day, guys, in February. I wanted to get this done. I had already taken a day to make the platform for it, and it started snowing on me, so I had to go as fast as I absolutely could, and my dad doesn't like to slow down. So we did this. I bought these for the battery. They're still loose there, but I bought those off Amazon too. Super cool. I didn't have to drill any holes bigger, change anything on it, and it'll slide right over and have power. So I'm impressed, guys. once I get the battery tray for this, because I have to pull this out, put a battery tray in, and get all that 7-way box, 10-way box, whatever it is, installed, and the electric jack, we will take another video at this. All this stuff I'm getting outside of the one item is from Harbor Freight. 2 items, sorry. The battery clamps here, and then also a 7-way box. I didn't get that. I got that off Amazon. I looked at reviews and I wanted the best one possible, so that's locked. And it's locked again. Look at that. As I said, another thing I like is it does lock. So overall, I'm giving this box a 10 out of 10. And as we go and add stuff to it, I will update you. Thanks for hanging out with Paul's Project Garage.